Ah yes, today we will be unboxing a box. Let's see what's actually in this box. So guys, do you remember this video? Well, yeah, I'm doing it again. And let's do this. I'm gonna pull out the plane. Hopefully it's something. Look, it's cool. So this is from the same brand as the last plane. So the plane is by Darren. So yeah. And I'm gonna get my other Spirit Airlines plane that I unboxed from a video like maybe a few months ago. So let me get that to compare with this. Well, here it is. Spirit next to a Spirit next to a KLM. Double Spirit. Yay.